Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick little tutorial on how to crochet a stitch that looks like knitting. So this is the stitch I want to show you guys. It's actually made up of 3 stitches. So you're going to be learning how to do a half double crochet, a half double crochet in a third loop, and a half double crochet in the back loop. So this is my little swatch right here. And so as you can tell by working up these stitches, you get a knit-like crochet stitch. So for this tutorial, I'm using a number 6 super bulky weight yarn. This is Lion Brand's Quick and Thick yarn, and it's in the color Fisherman. And I'm also going to be using a 10.0 millimeter crochet hook. All right, so let's get started with our tutorial. To start off making our knit-like crochet stitch, we do have to start with a base row of half double crochets. So let's first start off by making a slip knot. So go ahead and take your yarn, wrap it over your finger twice, take the back piece and push it over the front piece, and take the front piece and push it over the back piece and over your finger. Then pull tight for a slip knot. Go ahead and take your crochet hook and put it in that loop and pull tight one more time. Alright, so now for our swatch, we're going to go ahead and chain 10. So yarn over and pull through that first loop. So here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so once you have 10 chains, you want to go ahead and make a half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So go ahead and yarn over, find your second chain, which is right here, 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Then you should have 3 loops on your hook and then pull through one more time for your half double crochet. Now continue to make a half double crochet until you get to the end of your chain. Alright, I just finished my last half double crochet and you should have something that looks like this now. So this is now where our repeats are going to start in order to create our knit-like crochet stitch. So the first stitch that we're going to make for row 2 is going to be a half double crochet in the third loop. So go ahead and chain 2. Then you want to turn your work and you're going to make a half double crochet in the third loop in your first stitch. So your half double crochet in the third loop is going to be right here. This is this loop. That's where you're going to make your half double crochet. So an easy way to find it is by just, if you hold up your work like this, we see our 2 main loops where we would normally put our half double crochet, and if we just turn it slightly, you'll see that third loop. Okay, so go ahead and make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook to that third loop, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through one more time. Now continue to do this until the end of the row. Alright, so I just finished my second row, so my last stitch, and you should have something that looks like this. And so now we're going to be working on our third row, so our next repeat. So for that, you want to go ahead and chain 2. We're going to turn our work to the front side, and as you can tell, you're already going to see some very defined little V-stitches that mimic knit-like stitches. Okay, so now working back on the front side, we're going to work a half double crochet in the back loop. So for this one, we are going to be working our half double crochet in this loop right here, in the back loop. So instead of working on both as we would normally do, we would work in just that back loop. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our half double crochet in the back loop. So yarn over, insert your hook in that back loop, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now continue to do that until the end of the row. Okay, so I just finished my last stitch for my third row, and you should have something that looks like this. And so now this stitch pattern becomes very easy because all you're going to do is alternate between rows 2 and row 3. So your next row would be a half double crochet in a third loop, and then the following one would be a half double crochet in the back loop. And so when you continue to do that, you get something that looks like this. So as you can see, you have these very defined little knit-like crochet stitches. So I think think this stitch would be great for blankets, pillows, scarves, really anything if you're trying to achieve a knit-like crochet stitch. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!